Hello! In this presentation, we're going to have a quick introduction to conduction. If you were to pick up the pan below using its handle, you would probably burn yourself. This is because the handle of the pan has become very hot. How does this happen, since the handle is not actually in contact with the source of the heat? The explanation is that the heat has been transferred by conduction from the base of the pan up the sides to the handle. In this chapter, we're going to discuss the electrical conductor. It's a material through which electrons can flow easily. Metals are good conductors of electricity because they have many free electrons. Metals also are good conductors of heat because they have many free electrons. When a metal is heated, some of the electrons move faster and transfer their energy to other electrons and atoms by colliding with them. Follow us in this chapter to find more about the conduction.